Santosham. Today we are going to do Pada Sanchalanasana, also called cycling pose. Pada means foot, Sanchalan means movement or motion, and asana means pose. There are 3 stages. Let's do the first stage now. First, lie on your back with your arms by your side, palms facing down, with your legs and feet together. Raise your left leg, bending the knee and bringing the thigh towards your chest. Inhale and straighten your leg completely. Then, lower the straight leg in a forward motion. Exhale, bend the knee and bring it back to your chest to complete the cycling motion. Keep the heel lifted throughout the movement, avoiding contact with the floor. Do this 10 times forward. And 10 times backward. Switch legs and repeat with your right leg. Do this 10 times forward. And 10 times backward. Now let's go on to stage 2. Raise both legs and perform alternate cycling movements as if pedaling a bicycle. Practice 10 times forward, breathing normally throughout. Now 10 times backward. Next, let's go to stage 3. Raise both legs and keep them together throughout the exercise. Bring your knees as close to your chest as possible. Inhale and fully straighten the legs during the forward movement. Exhale and bring your knees as close to your chest as possible during a backward movement. Practice 3 to 5 forward cycling movements. Now, backward movements. Don't strain your breath. Gradually lower your legs together and relax. Thank you for watching. Santosham.